I've seen few homeowners over the years that were comfortable drilling into ceramic tile.
That's because the very thing that makes tile perfect for the bathroom makes it extremely difficult to drill into, and that's the glazed ceramic surface. The problem is that a drill bit, even when you use the proper bit, which is a carbide tip masonry bit, has a tendency to wander around the surface as you start to drill. The surface is just too slick for the bit to start. So here's the solution. Take a couple of strips of masking tape and put them across the tile where you want to drill a hole. In this case, we're going to be putting up a small hook to hold the towel.
Okay, you're just creating a surface that will really grip the bit itself.
Right. It doesn't take much, just that little bit of tape. And here you'll see the bit will bite right into the tape and then eventually cut through this ceramic tile. Pull that away, you'd see you have a nice clean hole. I didn't finish drilling it, but that gives you an idea. Then you go through the clay and into the wall behind it.
Now, I've seen people use a nail set to try to establish that, but if you hit that too hard, everything's going to
crack the tile, right? But if you're careful with it and just tap it enough, it'll crack just the glazing, and again, that will allow the drill bit to bite into the tile.